Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, itong may order ako, big order. Order for pick up for dinner time. Mamaya pa yan siya, mga 5:30 pipick upin. So, mamaya ko pa isa lang, niready ko lang siya. Yan guys. Ito guys, ham pepperoni. Yung pepperoni at saka ham under the cheese. Ito naman pepperoni bacon. Ito naman pepperoni bacon, and pepperoni bacon. Ito naman siya guys, ham pineapple. Ayan. Ganyan karami guys ang topping ng pizza namin, lalo na sa cheese. Ayan. Hindi siya tipid. Napakasarap yun guys. Oh. Mamaya isasalang ko yan. 10 minutes lang yun guys. 6 na pizza, 10 minutes. Ito na yan. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you in my next video.